Hi guys, it's Ray. Today we are going to press two tank tops using the Teckwrap metallic pearlescent vinyl. That's what it is. So I'm going to pick two colors. I'm definitely going to use the teal one for sure. And I'm going to do that on the white. I don't know. What is this one? This one says it's Tiffany blue. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this color. And then on the kind of olive green tank, I got these tank tops at Walmart. I don't actually particularly like these tank tops, but I bought 3 of them before I realized that I don't particularly care for them. I don't think I want bright silver. I think I'm just going to go with the cold gold. Because I think the colors are going to look funny. So, I'm going to pop off, cut my vinyl, and then I will come back. Okay, so my images are cut. I'm just about done weeding the second one. I'm going to warm up my heat press and finish weeding. I picked 2 relatively detailed images that drove me bananas, but this weeds really, really nicely, as you can see. So that's it. I'm going to bring in my shirt. I don't particularly like t-shirts with a lot of writing and stuff. I think we've been over this before. So I do cut them kind of undersized when they're for myself, if that makes any sense. I don't really know how to explain what I mean. Like, I don't go by any of the charts when it's for me. Like the size charts. I just kind of keep it relatively small. And I'm just going to pre-press this for any moisture and to smooth it out. I'm not going to use a t-shirt guide or anything. I'm just going to kind of guesstimate where it needs to go. There's my lint roller. I do want to do that quick though, because these have been hanging out in my room for a little bit. And I know some people will come at me if I don't. So I'm going to keep this fairly high up because this is a pretty scooped shirt. So this gets pressed. I'm going to press at 315 for 10 seconds. And then if I need to, I will repress it. This one I didn't do too bad weeding. The other one I did lose a little bit, but nothing major. And this is a cool peel. So, well, it says it's a cool peel, but you know what? It seems to peel just fine warm, so just gonna go ahead and peel it. And I do have a little piece of Teflon, so I am gonna just give it a quick little repress. A safety press. Not strictly necessary, just something I've always liked to do. And that is definitely down in there nicely. It's very hot. I'm going to pick up the whole pillow. So it says live by the sun, love by the moon. But that is the teal kind of color. And you can see I've got a good press on it because I can see the texture of the shirt through. This is a very soft vinyl, like it's not going to be annoying to wear whatsoever. And this is a fairly stretchy shirt, and the vinyl kind of moves with it, so there we go. That one is super cute as far as, you know, stuff on shirts go. And this one I just laid in some green glitter. So awesome. And this one I just made a little dragonfly and just breathe. I did kind of mess up here a little bit when I weeded, so I will probably have a little wrinkle. There's probably some little spots I missed. You know what? It's like, I don't know, 8 o'clock in the morning, and I'm leaving for vacation today, so yeah. I didn't pre-press this one. I didn't lint roll it. Just totally went out the window. Realized it after I put this down. So, oops. My bad. Okay. And I'm gonna do this again, especially since I didn't pre-press. I'm just using my handheld HTV heat press. This thing does work good. It's got a little glitter in it, but no big deal. And I'm just going to give it a little extra all over. Ooh, I might have melted it a little bit. I might have moved my Teflon. That's all right. I'm gonna cover it back up. That was an absolute me problem. All right. So that was my fault. But you know what? It's going to stretch and flatten back out anyways, especially up there. So I'm going to unplug my press. I do love this color. I actually really love the way it looks on the olive. It kind of almost goes away. Don't be like me. So, shirt 1, shirt 2. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Teckwrap Crafts, metallic, pearlescent, pearl, HTV. Cuts on your regular HTV setting. Like I said, quick press. The one thing I saw said cool peel, but obviously that wasn't necessary, so that is it. Maybe we'll revisit this product again at some point, but for now, that is it. I hope you enjoyed. Links will be down below, and I will see you in the next one.